Hi, I asked AI to plan all my meals for a week, and honestly, I didn't expect this. Are you over 50 and curious about AI? But every time you hear the word chat or AI tool, you think, that's not for me. You're not alone. And honestly, you don't need to understand how it works, and you just need to see what it can do. So today, I'm going to show you one simple thing AI can do that will actually save you time this week. We're going to ask AI to create a weekly meal plan and grocery list in about 2 minutes. No tech experience needed, I promise. Hi, I'm Pauline. I'm 64 years old, and this channel, Modern Life Made Easier, is all about making everyday life simpler, whether it be technology, money, health, or just figuring things out that nobody seems to explain anymore. This is the place for that. So let's jump in. This is what we are going to create today: a full week of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, plus a grocery list already organized by category. And we're going to do this in just a couple of minutes. No more staring into the fridge at 5 p.m. wondering what's for dinner. Let me show you how. You probably heard names like Chat, Gemini, Claude. Here's the simplest way to think about them. Imagine a very knowledgeable assistant, one who never gets tired, never judges you, and will answer any question you ask day or night. You can ask it to help you write an email, plan a trip, explain a medical bill, or like today, plan your meals for the week. I'm using chat today because it's very beginner friendly. But honestly, for what we're doing, any of them would work fine. The goal today is just to get you comfortable trying it. That's it. Okay, go to chatgpt.com. You can use this free version, no account needed, to try it. Now, here's something a lot of people don't know. See this little microphone icon? You don't have to type anything. You can just talk to it like you're talking to a person. You could say, help me plan an easy meal for the week. Or even just, I'm tired of figuring out dinner. Help me. It will understand you. It's that simple. But for today, I'm going to copy and paste a prompt so you can follow along exactly. Here's the prompt I'm using. I'll put it in the description so you can just copy and paste yourself. Now, the great thing about this is you can completely make it your own and add things like budget friendly, under $100 a week, diabetic friendly, high protein, meals for two people, whatever life, whatever fits your life. Okay, let's hit enter and see what it gives us. Look at this. It gave us a full week of meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, all laid out. And here's the part I really love: the grocery list, already organized by category: produce, protein, dairy, pantry staples. Think about how much mental energy that saves. No more wandering around the store trying to remember what you need. Because honestly, for me, the hardest part isn't cooking the meal, it's deciding what to cook. By the end of the day, that decision feels exhausting. Having a simple plan already made, that's where AI quietly becomes very useful. Now watch this. I'm going to ask it to adjust the plan. I'll put in, I don't like fish. Can you swap those meals? See that? It adjusts instantly. That's what I mean when I say AI adapts to you, not the other way around. You could also ask it to add easy leftovers, I can use for lunch the next day. Make this work for someone with high blood pressure. Give me meals I can prep on Sunday. You're in charge. It's just helping. So, if you've been curious about AI but weren't sure where to start, I hope to show you that it doesn't have to be scary. It's not about being techy, it's about making your everyday life a little easier. And that's exactly what this channel is here for. If this was helpful, hit subscribe because every week I'm going to show you one more way to make modern life just a little simpler. And I want to hear from you in the comments. What's one thing in your life right now that you wish was just a little easier? I read every single comment. I'll see you there. Take care, and let's make life a little easier together.